DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shut selector boy.
What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco back in this bitch with another banger. You already know what time it is. Yo, gang. Yo, gang. You already know, man. Yo, it's time to switch it up. Well, not switch it up a bit, but get back to some of the videos that I like to do that I haven't been doing in a minute. You already know, man. As you know, gang, you know I not only listen to dancehall music and reggae music. I like hip hop. I like country. I like, you feel me? I got like different genres of music as long as it's a good song. One of my favorite genres of music other than dancehall and reggae is hip hop, bro. You feel me? I love hip hop. You feel me? I grew up on a lot of these artists. You feel me? For instance, J.Cole is one of my favorite artists. You feel me? And while I started the channel, I want to do a lot of dancehall, to put on dancehall music, but I also want to, react to music I love, which is hip hop. You feel me? J.Cole is one of my favorite artists. You feel me? And he just did a feature with another artist that I used to like a lot when he just came out, Lil Yachty. Still like his music right now. He do more background work, but he's a very talented artist. His mixtape Blue Boat was dope. You know what I'm saying? I've been rocking with J. Cole since Friday Night's Live, Growing Simba, all type of shit, bro. You feel me? I've been there since the beginning, before J. Cole was a big artist. But yeah, he just did a feature with Lil Yachty. This one called The Secret Recipe, and I want to check it out and see what I go on, see if it I heard it was dope. You feel me? I heard a little snippet, Lil Yachty part. I'm like, oh, this is different. I know they're gonna spit on it. You feel me? So I would definitely want to check it out and see what's going on seriously. And I want to get back to doing more hip hop music. You feel me? I do dancehall, I do hip hop. You feel me? I do a lot of different music, and I want to react to all music. So if you like it, please consider subscribing. Please consider giving the videos a like. Help your boy out, man. Let's join with the vibes and the good energy. You feel me? I enjoy the videos. You feel me? But yeah, man. Yeah, Lil Yachty just dropped a song entitled Secret Recipe, and apparently this one is featuring J. Cole. I want to check it out and see what's going on, because I heard they spitting on this shit. You know what I'm saying? So let's go, gang. I'm gonna jump right in the track. Let's get this. Is Lil Yachty Secret Recipe with J. Cole. Let's get it, gang.
Allegedly, they figured out that I'm the secret recipe. The baddest hoes gon' test to eat and blame the high for wanting sex. I never wanted peace, fuck all the ops, I support Malcolm.
I know why he say he's a secret recipe, because he be work a lot of behind the scenes, a lot of music that's out there. Either produce it, beat, or write for it. Lil Yachty's behind the line.
The stack of chains is just a front. Overtaxed and underwhelming. Your jeweler pulled a major stunt. I don't smoke weed, already blunt. All on my cars I had to hunt. My dog is young as hell, but still a step.
He said overtaxed and underwhelming. Your jeweler pull a crazy stunt. Come on.
Call them baby run like window shoppers. I see through every front. I speak out what I need. I post everything I want. I block out anything I hate. It's still the homage, still unpaid. The notice went unseen. The tenants too relaxed. The standards have collapsed. They wrote me in with lame. They treat me like I'm them. They hate I overcame. Refuse to pat my back. Refuse to shake my hand.
Okay, they spin, bro. They refuse to give this man his credit.
Refuse to give me props when I am not around. Refuse to act like I ain't shift the sound, like I ain't pushed the culture like several vultures ain't come out.
Yep. Going Lil Yachty bust in the mumble rapper era. Yeah, he's one of the few that's still around, man.
To me, like several vultures ain't come after me. Still I keep it P. Yeah, we still digress. And I'm playing checkers. I ain't playing chess, cause I don't go around on niggas. We go over niggas. I'll show you niggas. I'm personally nothing like you. And plus I never liked you. I'm rich as hell. I'd never fight you. I'll have somebody snipe you.
I'm rich as hell. I never fight you. I'll have somebody snipe you. Come on, bro. What I got this money for, bro? If I gotta come throw hands with a poor nigga, bro? Huh? What I got this money for? If I gotta come throw hands with some poor, nah, nigga, I put some money on that head, bro. Come on.
Doggy lucky on the edge, holding on by a thread, just like a kite. It wouldn't cost a price, and even if it did, it'd always be right. Just like I'm Bob Barker. When I speak, pay attention. Go over my words like highlight markers. My only celebrity crush is Nikki Parker.
This nigga why they imagine go over my words like highlight markers. My only celebrity crush is Nikki. Bro, is that somebody in the drum, bro? Is that somebody hand in the drum? Or am I tripping, bro? But anyway, that's crazy. Let's get it.
They said I got a type. Said all my hoes, they look the same. They said they look too light. Pee my cup. Bet you couldn't tell that it was Sprite. I give a fuck about her face. She walking with a Bamski. I'm a strike. Yeah.
Come on.
I'm a strike.
Sus.
Cole from the preach, bro. If you know anything about J.Cole, bro, when he got on beats like this, bro, he's from the preach on that shit, gang. Come on.
I'm a strike. Cole and Yachty coming for their respect. Come and pay your debt. Just like a travel pillar, we at your neck for the way you slept.
Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. The man already spitting harder than yeah. Man said Cole and Yachty coming for their respect. Pay your debt. Now like a Cole, like a Cole pillar, I'm at your neck for the way you slept. Come on, man.
It's nuance, but I see hella influence in the way you dress, the way you sound, the way you try to move and try to stay abreast on all the latest flows and latest tones from Generation Next. Y'all chasing relevance, it's evidenced by the way you step. As for me, I cook so mass.
You chasing relevance, it's relevant. You chasing relevance, it's evident from the way you step. Come on.
To flee, ain't gotta pay a chef. I'm older now, but still I'm cutting edge. I'm like a bayonet out the veil. We OSHA certified. You gotta wear your vest. Too many homicides, a lot of sliding. They good at making decks. Thanks to God, I made it out the city.
A lot of sliding. They good at making decks. Come on.
Most would say I'm blessed. My greatest flex is that I made a milli. Feel like I'm Bangladesh. I hate the press, refusing interviews whenever they request. Niggas fake, progressive, and woke. I started saying less. I had to stop it. Peeped how they profit off of racial stress. Some activists got so rich they probably wish we stay oppressed. Studio.
Damn. So activists got so rich they probably Some activists got so rich they probably wish that we stay oppressed. See, I gotta think about that, people. Some activists, they're only out there for the paper, bro. You get behind it, and the donations that they get, and they got so much money every day. Like, damn, wish this shit could continue. And maybe they do continue.
Steppers moving extra on songs faking rep. Only breaking bad in the lab. Thought y'all was making meth. Niggas making threats.
Only breaking bad in the lab. Thought y'all was making. Woo! Niggas say y'all only gangster when y'all in the booth, bro. You feel me? I thought y'all was out here doing it for real. I thought y'all was cooking up and nah, y'all only gangster in the lab.
And I laugh, that's cause you ain't a threat. Don't ask how I feel about no rappers. Shit, they okay, I guess. Incoming call, press the button. The one that say accept. He FaceTime to ask for a feature and saw the face of death. I'm on your song, your streams.
Incoming face call. Accept. Press the button that say accept. He asked for a feature and looked in the face of death. God. Do you know what that mean, bro? You know niggas calling me for a feature, bro. But they don't know that I'm gonna body their ass on their own shit. They might call me for help, but it wasn't my call them on death, bro. That's crazy. That's Stop playing with
the button, the one that say accept. He FaceTime to ask for a feature and saw the face of death. I'm on your song, your streams going up. Not quite the Drake effect, but don't complain, bitch. Take what you get and cut the label check. My table set.
I'm on your song. I'm on my song. I'm your song. Your views go up. That's not the Drake effect, but nigga, take what you get and cut the label check. Oof.
I died on your favorite.
I gotta pull that up, bro. Stop playing with Cole, bro. Stop playing with Cole, my nigga. Come on, gang.
On your streams going up, not quite the Drake effect, but don't complain, bitch. Take what you get and cut the label check. My table set. I dine on your favorite. One verse will take his breath. I probably put more niggas on pause than Cam and Mason Beth. My agent get a whole lot of calls. It's like he paid the ref. These bitches out here looking like Steph on a late contest.
Stop playing. This man preaching, gang. What I told y'all.
Wide open, shooting they shot. Don't even waste your breath. I been stopped fucking you thoughts. Ain't got no patience left. Say that shit for one of them niggas that rock the fake protects. My paper stretch just like a Laker before.
Been stop fucking you thought. Ain't got no Time for stress. Better save it for one of them niggas that wear the fake protect.
Before he break a sweat. Sign the greatest yet.
Woo! Sign the greatest yet. Woo! 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 Sign the greatest yet. See that? So woo. Do you see how that man jumped off that shit after they say that shit? The man even surprised himself, bro. Come on. Stop playing, bro. Stop playing with Jermaine, bro. Stop playing with Jermaine, bro. Come on, bro. Listen to this man from, bro. Y'all did not hear Good Friday, bro? When Kanye was doing Good Friday, that nigga murdered every track, bro. When the man came on, he preached, bro. Come on, bro. Stop playing, bro. Come on, gang. Did y'all expect anything less? Come on. If you expect anything less, clearly you're not a Cole fan, bro. You're not familiar with Cole, bro. Facts. And Yachty go crazy, bro. You feel me? Yachty know to cook up some shit. Don't get it twisted now. You feel me? He might not be the best rapper, but he can cook up some shit where it's good quality overall. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, they went in on that track, gang. They went in on that one, man. So shout out to Yachty, man, and shout out to Cole, bro. You feel me? Yeah, man, I'm just gonna get some artists on the wall now, bro. I'm a Vibes Cartel, J.Cole, Drake, Kendrick, Bob Marley. I'm put up all of the greatest artists, them. My favorite artists. You don't know Beanie Man, Bounty. You don't know Alka. It's gonna have all the legends on there, bro. That made impact during my lifetime on my span. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, gang. Let me know what y'all think about that one, though, gang. You already know what time it is. If you like, you go show the artist them some love and support. Let me know it's a Jambisco and send. And also, hit me up in the comment section. Let me know what you want me to react to next, gang. And hit me on Discord, man. Discord is lit, gang. Get over there, man. You feel me? You can message me directly, talk to me directly. You know what I'm saying? Me requests, all that good stuff. Yeah, we'll lead over there, gang. So make sure you join the Discord, all that good stuff. Chop it up in the comment section. Get active. You already know what time it is. The boy Jambisco here now. Hit on smash up. Bang. Till next time, gang. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.